I think we are live. Yes, we are live, isn't it? Please give me thumbs up if you could see me, hear me properly. Yes. Can we start? Can we start? Let me know. Can we start or not? Is my voice and everything clearly visible to all of you? Okay. So here we go with our chapter today, that is probability. Today was your history paper, right? History and civics paper. Um, is there any problem with sound quality? Is there any problem? Can you all hear me? No sound? Okay, let me check. Let me check. Is it fine now? Is it fine now? Okay, sound problem. Okay, let me check. Let me check. Is it fine now? Still a problem? Am I audible clearly now? Is it clear now? No? Just give me a moment. I'll just rectify this issue. Okay, tell me, is this problem solved now? Is it clear now? Is it clear? Now I think this sound quality is better. Yeah, it's better now. Just give me a thumbs up if everything is fine. Okay, clear sound. Yes, sir. It is clear now. Conquer is saying it's clear now. Is it clear now? Is it fine? Wizardo Gaming, let me know, is it clear? Prashant Upadhyay, let me know it is clear now. Parth Gamer, is it clear? Arav Goshi, Mamta Singh, is it clear? Okay. I think the problem related to sound is been resolved, right? So from thumbnail and everything, you have understood that today we are going to solve question related to probability. I was about to start with something else, but some students requested me to start with this chapter, that is probability. And now what? You have 3 days holiday next, okay? That is Sunday, Saturday, and Friday. So most of you might have thought of taking a break today so that they can start afresh tomorrow. Okay, but still I see some students are still here with us. So we will start with this probability. Now, according to me, this probability chapter is a small chapter, is an easy chapter, and you may get one question as a subjective question and maybe one question as a objective also. And this question falls under the category of what? Under the category of statistics. Okay. Now you might be surprised to know, sir, how statistics, but yes, this is true. This belongs to statistics, right? So we can say that the weightage for only this chapter, okay, will be around 4 to 6 marks. 4 to 6 marks. And today we will try and see that we score this 4 or 6 marks. Okay, let me know how many of you have found this when you have done this chapter earlier. Okay, how many of you have found this topic to be easy and how many of you have found this topic to be difficult? Type this in a chat box. Hi Purbu Teri. Okay, I hope I have taken. Okay, मैं आपका नाम clearly ले रहा हूँ without any mistake. Okay, I apologize if there is a mistake. Now Purbu is telling me that mic is not proper. Is mic proper? Is sound coming properly? Okay, Parth Gamer is saying that voice is cracking in between. I think so that this cracking voice problem has been solved. Is it? Or still the same problem? Okay, whenever I say something, there is a crack. Chalo, let me start with my class. Let me continue. Let me keep on saying something. And if there is any problem, let me know. Is it fine now? Can I continue? Is my voice clear? Yes or no? Is it clear? Yes or no? Voice is cracking in between. Still same, but we can ignore that voice. Okay. Now same, sir. Acha, same means what? Is it cracking? Still cracking. Let me fiddle with some of the settings. We are losing lot of time. Let me work on some setting. Okay, now let me know, is it clear now? Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Is my voice coming clearly? Or is it same? Is it clear or is it same? Is voice everything clear about this voice quality? क्या आप लोग मुझे ठीक से सुन सकते हो? प्लीज कीप ऑन टाइपिंग, लेट मी नो. Okay, Parth is saying try to help for keep phone away as it is catching a different frequency. I'll try and do that. Is it fine now? Chalo, let us continue. Okay, if there is cracking or something, let me know. If there is cracking or something, let me know. Yes, maybe there is a problem with some frequency or something, right? Okay, so let us start with our class. This is the last chapter. Okay, let us start with our class for today, that is probability. In your textbook, this chapter is the last chapter, correct? And this chapter belongs to the unit called statistics. In statistics, you have other chapters also where you find out mean, median, mode, right? And also a probability. I was telling that in your examination, in your board examination, there is a high chance that this chapter, the question from this chapter will be between 4 to 6 marks. Okay, minimum 4 and maximum 6 marks, right? And today was your history paper, and I am sure this paper was very easy for all of you. And when I have interacted with some of the students, they were confident that they are going to get 40 on 40 in history. Okay, you can also tell me how much you are expecting in history. Yes, Parth, how much you are expecting? Arav, Himnish, Ahuja. Sir, nahi aa rahi hai आवाज. Okay. Is cracking still coming? Is still cracking? Okay, ignore that cracking was. Let us continue. Let us continue. Okay, Parth is expecting 40 on 40. Okay. What about other students? What about other students? Have you seen my video on midnight prediction? I think prediction was almost accurate. Most of the questions. I even got a message from some of the students that they were not knowing this collective responsibility of Council of Ministers. They thought it's not in the syllabus. Okay, they told me because they watched, they have seen, they have attended my live classes, so I have saved their marks. Okay. Okay, fine. So let us not waste our time and start with the probability. This belongs to a unit statistics of your maths textbook, and the weightage for this chapter will be about 4 to 6 marks, right? Now you might have learned this chapter from your school teacher, and maybe okay, idea and everything will be same, but maybe my presentation and your earlier presentation might be a little different. So you have to try and adjust with that. Okay. Now here are the formulae for the probability. Okay, I will not go deep into the formula right now, but I will definitely take the example and I will explain you each formula with the help of the example. Right? Now probability means what? Any idea? Who are the people who invented this concept of probability? Probability means what? Probability means possibility. Probability means possibility, or it means it is a game of chance. It is a game of what? Chance. Okay. So any idea who has started this? There was no question in yesterday's paper having D as. Okay. Yes, nice joke, Parth. Most of the question on our first day, civics particularly. Okay, most of the option was D. So Parth is saying that in a paper there was no question having D as an option. Nice observation. Okay, coming back to probability. So probability is a game of chance. We talk about the possibility. We talk about the possibility, right? Any idea who has invented? किसने ये probability जो है वो start किया? Any idea? You can type in a chat box. You can type in a chat box. Any idea? What kind of mathematician or who were the people who started the probability? You will surprised to know they were gamblers. Who are gamblers? हिंदी में इन gamblers को बोलते हैं जुआरी. ओके जुआरी. दे बाय अ लॉटरी टिकट. वो लॉटरी का टिकट खरीदते हैं. दे आर ऑलवेज कि क्या चांस है मेरा लॉटरी का टिकट निकलेगा. What is a chance? What is a probability? What is a possibility that I may become a करोड़पति? Okay, what is that chance? So these were gamblers या जुआरी लोग थे जिन्होंने ये क्या किया, ये वाला जो है ये इंट्रोड्यूस किया मैथ्स में ये टॉपिक which is called a probability. Right? Now probability means what? It is a chance. First of all, I like to discuss about the sure event and impossible event. Sure event and impossible event. Okay? I like to give you an option. Why I can't see your comments? Okay? Are you writing your comments? Please keep on writing your comments. Okay, yes. Is there cracking of a voice? Is there cracking still? Is it cracking? Is it cracking? Maybe. Okay. Fine. So probability is a game of chance. Okay. And gamblers were responsible for this probability. Now I will talk about the sure event. Sure event means if I ask you what is a possibility that Monday will come after a Sunday. Okay, that Monday will come after a Sunday. Okay, so surely there is 100% chance. There is 100% chance that Monday will come after Sunday. Okay, 100% means what? 100 and percent means out of 100. Percent means out of 100. 100 on 100 means what? 1. Okay, so that is called a sure event. Okay, if something is surely going to happen, so that is called a sure event. What is a possibility that you write an examination and you get a full marks? So that is a possibility. If you are sure that you are going to get 40 on 40, then that is a sure event, right? What is a possibility? What is a possibility that tomorrow it's going to rain tomorrow? What is a possibility that it's going to rain tomorrow? So nowadays, like it is month of what? April end. Okay, May is about to start. So it's not raining. So we can say that there is no possibility. There is a zero chance. There is a zero chance of raining. So when possibility is zero, okay, then that event is called a impossible event. Okay, if I'll take a same example, what is a probability? What is a probability that what Friday will come after Sunday? So we know this for sure. Ki after Sunday there is, okay, which day do we get? That is Monday and not a Friday. So getting Friday after Sunday, next day after Sunday, Friday, that is not possible at all. So this event will be an impossible event. And probability of impossible event is 0. And probability of sure event is 1. Okay, you will be surprised to know that all the answers of probability is between 0 and 1, or I can say it is from 0 and 1, not between, but it is from 0 and 1. Okay, 0 means what? 0 means when equal to 0, it means it is an impossible event. And when probability is 1, it means it is a sure event. And all the other answers are between 0 and 1. So, sir, how are we expected to write the answer? How are we expected to write the answer? Please keep on commenting. Okay, so that I know you can hear me. You can see me, you can hear me properly. Okay, all the answers are between 0 and 1. That means what? What are the answers between 0 and 1? Is it in decimal point like 0 0.1, 0 0.13, 0 point what 2, 0 0.3? Okay, is answer like this. So I'll say yes. But what you have to do is key whenever, okay, when answer is between 0 and 1, and when you write in terms of a fraction means what? A numerator and a denominator. A numerator and a denominator. So ICSE has given a clear rule ki how to write a fraction. If smaller number, okay, I'll take an example like 5 upon 7. If smaller number is in the numerator and bigger number is in the denominator, then you can keep it as it is. No need to solve it further. But you cannot leave 7 upon 5. Then you either have to write the answer in a form of a decimal point. If it is a terminating type of the answer, then it will be a decimal point. Can you tell me what is the answer in a decimal point? 7 divided by 5. 5 into 1 is 5. Remainder is 2. Can you tell me what is the answer? Is it 1.4? Isn't it 1.4? Okay, so this you have to write. Suppose if you have, okay, 7 upon 3. Now this is like a recurring number. Okay, answer will be in a recurring pattern. So instead of writing a recurring number, what you will write? Don't write a recurring number. Instead, you will write it in a mixed fraction. Like 3 into 2 is 6. Remainder is 1. So 2 1 by 3. Okay. So I hope you already knew this. You already know this rule. Okay. But still I thought I'll have a revision. So if numerator is bigger than a denominator, so either you will express your answer in a decimal point or you will express your answer in a form of a mixed fraction. But when numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger, you can leave as it is. This is your what? Final answer. This is your final answer. So you can leave your answer as it is. Okay, no need to solve it. Okay. So as I was telling you, all the answers in a probability will be smaller number in the numerator. Okay, smaller number will be in the numerator and bigger number or a greater number in the denominator. So you can leave all the answers in a decimal point. So yes, are you getting it? You can leave your answer in a decimal point. If you are understanding this, just give me a thumbs up. Have you understood this? And please make sure that you like my video. You are liking this. If you are liking this live streaming, please like my video. Right? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Fine. Can I continue? Can I continue? Okay. Chalo. Fine. Right. So answers we are going to write in a fraction form. Right? Okay. Now in probability, see these questions. Okay. Before taking a question, I will take I'll give you a main example of a probability. Okay. For any event which is neither a sure event or a null event. Okay. Neither a sure event or null event. Okay. How do you write an answer? So probability of an event. How do you read this? P means probability, and inside a brace bracket you write E, means probability of event is number of possibility in event A and n of A upon n of S. Okay, this is a formula. I'll explain you this. What this is all about. Okay, fine. And what is this? PE plus PE dash is equal to 1. Okay, I'll come back to this. I'll try to explain you this with an example. Okay, so here we go. Okay, here we go with our first sum. Okay, and then there are sums related to deck of cards. Okay, so there are 4 different color cards. But again, is this question related to cards included in our syllabus or not? You let me know what your teachers have told you. Are these sums which are related to cards, deck of card, 52 card, Is it there in your syllabus or not? Okay, let me know what your teacher have told you. Okay, so here we go. Now let me be clear right in the beginning of this class. Okay, let me be clear right in the beginning of the class. Okay, see what kind of questions you are going to get. So mostly you are going to get four kinds of question in your examination. Okay, first question will be like a die is rolled. Okay, a die is rolled. Okay, you know now what is die. Die is rolled. When you play snakes and ladder, you use a die. Okay, when that die is rolled, so you are going to get a question. Okay, how many dice? Either one die or two dice. Okay, two dice. Okay, I am sure you must have used this die while playing snakes and ladder. It is cubical in shape and there are dots on it. Okay, there are dots on it. Okay, 6 dots, the maximum outcome, right? Then 2 dots, 5 dots, okay, 3 dots, and so on. Okay, so you have a in your syllabus question related to a single die or when two dice are rolled. Then you have a question. You have questions related to what? You have questions related to what? Related to coin. A coin is tossed. Okay, a coin is tossed. So how many coins? Again, it is clearly mentioned in your further reduced syllabus. Either a single coin is tossed or two coins are tossed and or three coins are tossed. Okay, some students are joining now. So please make sure that you go through my introduction part also. Okay, that is very, very important. Right? Then a numbered, okay, a numbered card. Okay, there is a number on a card and a card is pulled out. Okay, and a card is selected. Okay, a card is selected. One card is selected. Okay, you cannot select two cards. A card is selected. Some student told me to take a question related to 53 Sundays, probability of 53 Sundays in a day, right? And question related to what? Question related to two friends having a birthday on the same day. Okay, so those are the questions, some important questions, okay, which I am going to take. So Taran is asking some questions. Sir, in history, Germany was allowed to keep how many? 24 or 36 ships. Okay, definitely it is 24 ships. I hope you have got it right. Yes, Someshwar. Okay, welcome to live streaming for this day. Okay, so I already have given a introduction of this probability. We are doing a chapter probability. You must have understood this from our thumbnail. And I am discussing what kind of questions can be asked. So there are 4 types of questions which can be asked. A question related to a die, when a die is rolled, when a coin is tossed, when a card is selected, a number card. Okay, and finally, question related to selection of colored ball. Okay, there are red ball, few red balls, few green balls, white ball. Okay, so selection of a ball. So out of those colored ball, a ball is selected. Okay, selection of a ball. Okay, so these are the 4 kinds of questions which you can expect in your examination. Okay, one of these kind of the question will be either related to a die or related to coin. Okay, how many dice? Either a single die or 2 dice. Then what? A coin is tossed. Either a single coin is tossed or 2 coins are tossed or even 3 coins. Okay, not more than 3. Fine. And then what? Okay, a numbered card is selected at a random or a colored ball is selected. Okay, so we are going to concentrate. Okay, so we are going to concentrate. Okay, Taran is saying, I have got it right. Thanks to you, I watch all your videos on history. Very good. Okay, I have so many videos on I have so many videos on maths also. Please make sure that you go through this video. I have handpicked some very good 20 questions from chapters like mensuration, then equation of line, okay, trigonometry, heights and distances. Please go through it. Each and every video is a gem, right? So here, what am I going to do is, I thought that today I'll select, okay, you will get super 40 questions for maths also. Please make sure that you solve those super 40 questions, super 40 MCQs and super 40 questions. Like, okay, fine, fine. Please make sure that you like our live streaming. Okay, I want maximum likes. Okay, singular is a die and plural more than one is a dice. Question related to die or dice. Okay, fine. Okay, coming here, a card with number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20 are well shuffled. Okay, so these are not those. Okay, I have asked you a question. Okay, we have in our textbook there are questions. Okay, there are cards. Okay, hard card, diamond card. Okay, spade card, and which one? Which is the other one? Okay, what is the other name? Spade and heart, diamond, spade, and which one? Club card. Okay, club. Okay, this card is the club card. Okay, so how many? Okay, tell me what your school teacher have told you. Will you get question related to this? Club card, heart card, spade card. Okay, diamond shape card. What your school teacher have told me? I want to know. Right. So these are numbered card. Okay, not this one. Yes, clover. You can also call it as a club card. What your teacher told you. Okay, is there any? Yes, Taran is saying, sir, please make all formulae in one PDF. Already I have made it. Already I have made it. And I'll put this formula of all the chapters, okay, for semester 2 in the description box. Maybe tomorrow early morning I'll do that. What your teacher have told you? This kind of question will come or not? Okay, this is spade card. This is spade. This is club. In your textbook, club. This is hard. Everyone knows this. And this is diamond. Third card is the diamond card. Right? Please bear with my drawing. It is not that good. Also, I have a video on biology diagrams. Okay, let us concentrate on this particular question. So what we do is, first of all, we write a sample space, right, which we represent by capital S. Shrija Devi, yes, okay. So sample space means what? All possibilities. So how many cards are there? 20 cards. And what are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to which number? Up to 20. That means how many cards are there? Number of sample points is equal to 20. What your school teacher might have told and what I am telling, both things are one and the same. Only the method of expressing or writing this, okay, might differ. I'm using this method which is easy for you to understand, easy to write, and I'll explain the entire probability based upon the formula. Okay. And even if they twist and turn this question, okay, you will be able to solve any question using my formula. Please stay till the end because I have taken very good questions. Okay, last 4 questions are gem. Okay, they are the best questions of the lot. Okay, so total number of sample point is 20. Let us come to event number 1. So we are solving part 1. So this event we will call it as E1. Okay, first event, E for event. Okay, getting a prime number. Can you tell me which is the first prime number? Okay, is 1 a prime number? No. Okay, 2 is the first prime number and this is the only even prime number. Okay, this is the only even prime number. Yes, Sanjesh Kumar, welcome. Yes, your answer is correct. Shrija Devi. Yes, Parth Gamer is already there. right? So event is 2. 2 is a 1 is not a prime number, 2 is a prime number and only prime number. All the other prime numbers are odd. Like 3 is a prime number, next prime number is 5, then 7, then 9 is not a prime number. What is a prime number? If you could split it. Like 9 is 3 into 3, so that is not a prime number. 11 is a prime number. Then what? 13 is a prime number. 15 not a prime number. 17 is a prime number. 19 is a prime number. Right? And we want below 20. Next prime number is 23. Next prime number, okay, is 23. Yes, hit trap. 2 is the first prime number and the only prime number. Can you tell me how many sample points, how many entries are there in this set? Okay, and set which we have named as E1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So is it 8? Is it 8? Okay. Now we come to probability. Formula for probability of this first event E1 is what? It is n of E1 upon n of S. On solving, you will get the answer. So that is 20 upon 8, both divisible by 4. 4 into 5. Have I substituted wrong? Okay. 8 will be in the numerator. Okay. N of E1 is 8 and N of S is in the denominator. 8 upon 2. So 4 into 2 and 4 into 5. So my first answer is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Okay. Those who have joined late, I'll just repeat this quickly. Smaller number in a numerator and bigger number in a denominator as per the rule, okay, assigned by ICSE, given by ICSE. You can leave this fraction as it is. A fraction with a smaller number in the numerator and bigger number in the denominator can be left as it is. Okay, but vice versa, iska ulta bilkul nahi chalega. If you have 5 upon 2, then you have to express your answer either in a decimal point or in a form of a mixed fraction. Okay, Someshwar, it is not. Don't write in a ratio. Okay, probability is not in a ratio. It's either in a fraction or you can express it in a decimal point. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now see what is the second event. Number is divisible by 3. Okay, number divisible by 3. So let me move on to a second event. Okay, event number 2. This is second part. Second event. We want a number which is divisible by what? 3 or 2? Divisible by 3, I think. Okay, yes, divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. So from the sample space, okay, from the sample space, you will be selecting those numbers which are divisible by 3. So 3 is divisible by 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, 15, 18, next number is 21. Next number is 21. But we want, okay, our numbers, our cards are up to 20. Okay, so we can select only this one. So n of E2, second event, okay, is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is what? 6. So finding out a probability of this event E2 is, my formula is n of E2 upon n of S. Right? So this is what? Is it 6 upon 20? So both numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 into 2, no, sorry, both numbers are divisible by 2. 2 into 3 and 2 into 10. 3 by 10. So how do you write your answer? Okay, how do you write your answer? Either you can write your answer as a fraction or a decimal point. As a fraction like 3 by 10 or you can express it as 0.3. But my suggestion is that for probability, write answer in a fraction. Yes, Parth Gamer, your answer is correct. Right? Sanjay also, your answer is correct. Arav, your answer is also correct. Yes, Someshwar, Hitrap, all your answers are correct. Okay, let's move on to next question. That is question number 3. Okay, question number 3. Okay, what is this event? What is the third event? Third event, okay, third event is a perfect square. Okay, very easy, perfect square. We want a number which is a perfect square, right? So from 1 to 20, we have to select from a sample space. We have to select from a sample space. Is 1 a perfect square? Yes or no? Aditya, welcome. Time for 2020. Okay. So 1 is a perfect square. 1 square is 1. 4 is a perfect square. 2 is square of 4. Then 3 square is 9. So 9 is a perfect square. 4 square is 16. So this is a perfect square. Okay. 16. Now KV is saying that, sir, your videos are very helpful. Your videos deserve many likes. So what are you waiting for? Please like this video. Please like this video. There should be more and more likes. Right? Then 5 square is 36. But I don't think so we can take 36 because we have cards numbered between 1 to 20. So last card will be what? 16. Right? So how many possibilities? Okay, how many entries here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now formula for probability, not E1, it is E3. Probability of this event E3 is what? N of E upon N of S. I am going little bit slow so that everyone understand this. So 4 upon what? 20. So 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20. So correct answer is 1 upon 5. You can express this answer in a form of a decimal point or in a fraction, but I will highly recommend you write your answer in a form of a fraction. Yes, Aditya, sab like ठोको, like ठोको. Okay, बिल्कुल कंजूसी नहीं करना है. Are all answer correct? 2 by 5. Then what? 3 by 10 and 1 by 5. Yes, all our answers are correct. Right? Okay. Let's move on to question number 3. From a pack of 52 cards. Okay, these questions. Some students say, sir, हमारे टीचर ने बताया कि ये नहीं होगा. But look at this question. Okay, this question was asked in the year 2011. So I will suggest, okay, please do these sums properly. Right? I don't know what your teachers have told you. So pack of 52 cards. Pack of 52 cards. That means when you select, okay, when you select one card, so you have how many options? You have totally 52 options. So N of S will be 52. Like earlier, we are selecting 1 out of 20 cards. So there N of S was 20. Here N of S is 52. All the cards. Okay. Wait, there is a catch. There are 52 playing cards. All cards whose number are a multiple of 3 are removed. Okay. So just wait, just hang. Okay, we'll solve it properly. Okay, we will just select this number. So totally there are 52 cards. Let me know if you have any doubt. Okay, total there are 52 cards. But we are removing, okay, a card with a number which is a multiple of 3. Right? So multiple of 3 means what? We remove a card which has a number 3. Then we remove a card which has a number 6. And then we have a card whose number is 9. Okay, then after 10, we have Jack, King and Queen, right? Ace cards and an ace card, right? So how many cards are we removing? Okay, I'll write this side so things do not go out of the screen. Can you tell me how many cards are there in a pack which bears a number 3? How many cards are there? Yes, card is there. This question was, I am taking a board question. If you want, I'll skip this question. Next time a card related question comes, I'll not take this card. Okay, this is a board question. Okay, this is a board question, right? So I'm not taking any other question. This was asked in 2011. Okay, so there are how many cards which bear number 3 and how many cards which bear number 6 and how many cards have number 9? Definitely 4 cards, one heart of 4 of hearts, then another card 4 of diamond, 4 of spade and 4 of 3 of, okay, 3 of diamond, then 3 of heart, 3 of diamond, 3 of club, 3 of club and 3 of spade. Okay, today I'll take only one card. Okay, one sum related to card. Okay, because some students say, okay, their teacher have told it's not there. I'm sure this is there, but still I'll confirm and I'll get back to you tomorrow. Right, 4 cards this, 4 cards bearing number 6 and 4 cards of 9. So 12 cards are removed. So 52 minus 12 is how much? Is it 40? Is it 40? How it can be 31? Okay. Acha, 31 face card. I think your answer is wrong. Okay, I think your answer is wrong. Okay. N of S is equal to 40. Don't worry, just hang on. Okay. I'll give you all correct answers. Okay. Option 1, question 1 is that we have to select. Okay, this is our first event. What do we want? We want a face card. We want a card which is a face card. How many face cards are there? How many face cards are there? There are. Okay. Okay, there are how many face cards? How many face cards? There are 12 face cards. Okay, there are 12 face cards. Okay, queen wala card is a face card. King wala card is also a face card. Jack is also a face card. Remember ace card. Ace card is not a face card. I'll give you a formula of all the chapters together. There I'll give you this in writing. Okay. So 3 jack card. Okay, I'm sorry, 4 jack card, 4 queen cards and 4 12 cards. So face cards are how many? 12. Face card are how many? 12. So we have to find out a probability that if we select one card at a random, what is the probability that we are going to get a face card, right? So what is this? 12 upon 40. We are not using, okay, we are not using a deck of 52 cards. Okay, 12 cards are removed. Which are those 12 cards? Which are multiple of 3. So this is divisible by 4. 4 into 3 and 4 into 10. So my answer is 3 by 10. My answer is 3 by 10. Some students are saying this is not in the syllabus. But no, it is there in a syllabus. This is a board question. Okay, this is not my question. This is a board question, right? Now an even number red card. Okay, now next we want is even number as well as a red card. Okay, so second event, which card we are going to select? Okay, red card with even number. With what? Even number. Let us write all the cards which has even number. So 2 wala card is an even number. 3 is not an even number. 4 is even number. 6 is even number. 8 is even number. And also 10 is even. Okay, so there are 4 cards. Okay, there are 4 cards out of which 2 are red and 2 are black. 2 are red and 2 are black, right? But what we have to select? Red card. We don't have to select what? Black card. So there will be 2 cards red having number 2, 2 cards with number 4 and red color, okay, this condition which is laid over here, okay, then 2 cards with number 6, even number 6 and red color, and 2 even number 8 and red color, and 2 with even number 10, with number 10, even number 10 and 2 red cards, right? So total how many cards we are going to select? 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So n of E2 is what? It is 10. It is 10. Okay, so probability of E2 is what? N of E2 upon N of S. Upon N of S. So what is that? 10 upon, we have to select out of how many cards? Not out of 52, but 40. So when you divide this by 10, 10 into 1, 10 into 4. So correct answer is 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4. Right, even number and red card. Even number and red card. Okay, why it is saying 1 upon 5? Why it is saying 1 upon 5? Okay, I think answer is wrong. Okay, answer given here is wrong. Right? So out of 40 cards, okay, out of 40 cards total, okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5 into 2, yes, 10 cards, okay. Yes, absolutely right. It cannot be 8 cards. Okay, 2, even number, 2 is even number, 4 is even number, 6, okay. So correct answer is 1 upon 4. Correct answer is 1 upon 4, right? Okay, Someshwar Reddy wants me to explain this once again. Okay, Someshwar, which part you want me to explain once again? Which part do you want? First or second part? First or second part? Which part? Please specify that. Okay, please specify which part do you want me to explain once again. The first one. See face card. Okay, please pay attention here. Face card. Okay. So which are the face card? Jack. Jack card is a face card, isn't it? Then Queen wala card is also a face card. Queen card is also a face card. And this King card is a face card. Am I right? So how many cards are there of this? Four Jack cards. Then 4 Queen wala cards. And 4 King wala cards. Okay, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, 12 cards. So please keep this in mind. Okay, please keep in mind. See, I have all the cards over here, right? All the cards over here. Okay. See, King, Queen. Okay, King, Queen, Jack are the face cards. They are what? They are the face cards. Right? They are the face cards. So there are 3 cards, and how many categories? 4. Like we have hard wala card. Okay, so we have King wala. How many cards? Okay, hard King 1, diamond King 1, club wala King 1, and spade wala King 1. So total is how much? 4 here. Then same thing for this card. Okay, King, after King Queen wala card, this also 4. Okay, and Jack also 4. So total number of face card is 12. Okay, total number of face card is 12, right? And this 12, okay, this 12 is further divided into what? 6 red cards and 6 black cards. Okay, there are 6 red color face cards and 6 red color black cards, right? And what about even number? What about even number? Okay, so this is the even number 10, right? This is a even number, and 6 is a even number, 4 is a even number, and 2 is a even number. Okay, please remember that ace card is not a face card. Not a face card. ace wala. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so we want these 5 cards. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards here and 5 cards here and 5 here. 5 plus 5 is 10. So that was event, second event. Some of you were asking me to explain this second part. Okay, this second part. So n of e is 10. See, I have written here as well. Okay, रेड कार्ड चाहिए 2 का, तो 2 कार्ड होते हैं रेड ऑफ 2, 2 ऑफ ओके फॉर 4, इवन नंबर 4 रेड कार्ड दैट वे. So total number of card is 10. So probability is 10 upon 40. That is 1 upon 4. And please keep in mind that we have removed from total 52 cards, we have removed cards which are multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means 3, 6 and 9. Okay, 4, 4, 4, 12 cards. So for this game or this particular question, number of cards which we are using is 40 and not 50. Right? Let's move on to next question. Now this question is related to coins. 2 coins are tossed. Okay, 2 coins are tossed. Now pay attention. First we have to write a sample space. When 2 coins are tossed, what are the possible outcome? Okay, one is the head and head. Another one is what? Head and tail. Third one is what? Tail and head. And last one is what? Tail and tail. Right? Is there any other possibility? Is there any other possibility? Answer is no. Okay, what? Answer is no. Fine. So how many total outcomes? Total outcome is 2. Total outcome is 4. Now let's come to the first part. Okay, what is the event? Event is when a coin is tossed, we want exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads. Okay, exactly 2 heads. Means n of E1 is what? It is H and H. They want exactly this outcome. So what outcome? Okay, n of E is what? N of E is just one outcome. Okay, you have to write this here as E1. Fine. So what is probability of this event? Probability of event E1 is n of E1 upon n of S. This is formula for probability, right now? So 1 upon 4 or 25% or 0.25. But again, I will highly recommend write your answer in a form of a fraction, right? I'll solve this second part over here. I'll use a different color. Let me this time use this green color. I hope if it is not clearly visible to you, let me know. At least yours, most of the students go wrong. What we want, okay, क्या चाहिए हमको? तो हमको चाहिए at least 1 tail. एक टेल तो आना ही आना है. हमको चाहिए at least 1 tail. When they say at least, okay, जब वो बोलते at least, तो वो बोलते कम से कम. Okay, lower boundary they say. कम से कम. Okay, at least. So what can we write this? Okay, can we select this? Can we select this? No. Why? क्योंकि इसमें टेल है ही नहीं. And they are saying कि उनको एटलीस्ट एक कम से कम एक टेल चाहिए. Okay, so we cannot take this one because इसमें टेल है ही नहीं. Can we take this? Yes, क्योंकि इसमें एक टेल है. Can we take this? Okay, इसके बाद क्या ये ले सकते हैं? तो आंसर इज yes, क्योंकि इसमें भी एक टेल है. क्या ये ले सकते हैं आप लोग? तो आंसर इज अगेन yes. दे वांट एटलीस्ट, उन्होंने कहा कि कम से कम एक टेल होना चाहिए. यहाँ तो हमारे पास 2 है, उन्होंने कहा था कम से कम एक. ओके, सो दिस वी कैन टेक, राइट. सो व्हाट इज अ प्रोबेबिलिटी? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E2 is what? Wait. First we have to write number of outcomes. So number of possibility in this event is what? 3. Now probability of E2 using a same formula, it will be 3 upon 4 n of E upon n of S. Okay, n of E upon n of S, right? Are you getting this? Are you finding out it here? Finding out this sum easy? Is there any doubt or anything? Let me know. Okay. Just give a thumbs up if you are liking this, if you are understanding this. Yes, they are saying at least one tail. तो आप दोनों टेल लेंगे तो भी चलेगा. कितने टेल्स होने चाहिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा? They are not saying. They are saying at least one tail. Right? Okay, Parth Gamer have solved the entire sum. Very good, Parth. Okay, coming to question number 4. Coming to question number 4. Right? Okay, here we go. Again, I will like to tell you all आपको कौन कौन से questions आएंगे. Okay, dice वाले question. Singular is die. Okay, a die is rolled. Either a one die or a two die. Then question related to what? Question related to coin जो अभी अभी question की हम लोगों ने. Then a numbered card. वो वाला सम और ये बॉक्स वाला सम. ओके, कलर्ड बॉल. ओके, कलर्ड balls. ओके, as per your further reduced syllabus, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आएंगे. When a training for teacher was taken and all the information was given to how to correct the paper, that time all these points were discussed. Okay, all these points were discussed. So don't take my words lightly. Okay, even yesterday कल के हिस्ट्री के पेपर में one student was telling me कि उनके टीचर ने बताया collective responsibility is not there in syllabus. One student was telling me कि writs नहीं आएंगे sir, that is out of syllabus. In fact, I made a video on 5 writs and what happened? Okay, in examination there was question, write any 3 writs. Okay, have you attempted that question? Let me know. Have you attempted that question? You can type in a chat box. Have you attempted that question? Yes or no? Have you attempted the question related to writ? Okay, yes. Students are saying yes. Okay. Fine. What is not required? Okay, let's go on. Move on to this question. A box contains some black balls and 30 white balls. Okay. So what is N of S? There are some black balls and 30 white balls. If probability, okay, if probability of drawing a black ball is 1/5 of a white ball, find the number of black balls in the box. Now what happens? Okay, have you seen my motivation wala video? There I have clearly told. I have told you a story of an egg. Okay, एक अंडे का story बताया उसमें. Okay, so this chapter is very easy chapter. और बच्चे लोग क्या करते हैं, इसको lightly लेते हैं और ऐसे question आता है. This was asked in 2013. Find the number of black balls. तो हम start कैसे करेंगे? Let the number of black balls be x. Let the number of black balls be x. Correct? Be x. Now what is N of S? Total balls kitne? Some black balls that we have taken as x and 30 white balls. So x plus 30, okay, are the total number of balls. Right? और यहाँ क्या बताया? Probability of drawing a black ball. Probability of drawing what? Black ball. Black ball is what? Is 2/5. Is 2/5 of the white ball. Okay. Times white ball. Right. Then find the number of black balls. क्या होगा probability? तो probability का formula क्या है? What is the probability of event? N of E upon N of S. N of E upon N of S. यहाँ पर in both the cases total number of ball is x plus 30. तो denominator में आएगा x plus 30. Here x plus 30. These are two terms. So I'll advise you again put it in a bracket. दो term होंगे तो bracket use करेंगे. For single term, please do not use the bracket. Here also denominator is what? X plus 30. Okay. ब्लैक बॉल्स, कितने ब्लैक बॉल्स है? तो नंबर ऑफ ब्लैक बॉल्स आर एक्स, तो एक्स आएगा न्यूमरेटर में. हाउ मेनी व्हाइट बॉल्स आर देयर? 30, सो 30 आएगा न्यूमरेटर में. नाउ हाउ टू सॉल्व, दिस. ओके, व्हेन यू सॉल्व दिस, तो दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर से x plus 30 will be cancelled. Can we do this? No, we can't. We can't do this. Okay, we can't do this cancellation. Okay, we are violating a rule of solution. What we can do is we will multiply each term by x plus 30. We will multiply each term by x plus 30. Yes, we can do. Okay, this step is legal step in maths. Okay, so now this and this cancelled. Okay, and this also got cancelled. अब क्या मिलता है हमको? अब क्या मिलेगा हमको? तो हमको मिला here only x. Okay, we got x here, and this is 5 into 1 is 5 into 1 and 5 into 6 is 30. So here what are we getting? Okay, here what are we getting? This 2 and this 6. 2 into 6 is what? 12. Okay, into what? X plus 30. All x plus 30 were cancelled. Okay, in from this 2, but यहाँ मिलेगा. Okay, now we need to open the bracket. 12 into x is 12x plus 12 into 30. 12 into 3 is 36. 360. Is it correct or we are going wrong? Okay, because I think we are getting a negative answer. Black ball is x upon x plus 30. Right now, x ball and total number of ball is x plus 30. Right? Probability. If probability of drawing a black ball is 2/5, okay, of a white ball. Okay, this also seems to be correct. Probability of black ball are x and total number of balls is x plus 30 is 2 upon 5 times. Okay. Oh, not this one. Okay, I made a blunder here. Wait. This is not plus. I thought this is plus. Okay, I thought this is plus. Yes. Can we cancel x plus 3, x plus 30 on both sides? Answer is yes, because बीच में plus sign नहीं है, बीच में sign है multiply. I thought it is a plus sign. So this is what? X is equal to what? This is 5 into 6 is 30. 6 into 2 is 12. Okay, x is equal to 12. Don't say x is equal to 12, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया नंबर ऑफ ब्लैक बॉल्स, ये नहीं पूछा कि x का क्या वैल्यू है. ओके, सो यू विल राइट नंबर ऑफ ब्लैक बॉल्स is equal to 12. Number of black balls is equal to 12, and have this habit of blocking your answers. Okay, ऐसा make it eye catching. Help your teacher to give you good marks. Are you getting it? Okay, are you getting it? Okay, see here where I went wrong. Okay, तो यहाँ बीच में multiply. Okay, what do we have here is multiplication. Okay, this is multiplication. Okay, so yes, you can. तो ये तो सिंगल टर्म हो गया, सिंगल टर्म ऑन लेफ्ट. ओके, सो यू कैन कैंसल x plus 30 and x plus 30. ओके, अगर प्लस होगा देन वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई ईच टर्म. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट यू गेट. इज इट फाइन? आर यू गेटिंग इट? लेट्स मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. जरा जल्दी करेंगे तो हम लोग ज्यादा क्वेश्चन कवर कर पाएंगे. A die. This question is related to a die, but for a change. देखो, this question was asked in 2014. There was a purpose. मैंने जानबूझ के बोर्ड के क्वेश्चन लिए, because टेक्स्ट बुक के जो क्वेश्चन है वो बहुत इजी है, एंड यू विल सी दैट बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन आने वाले एज इट इज नहीं आते हैं. दे मॉडिफाई दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, दे मॉडिफाई क्वेश्चन हियर एंड देयर. राइट, दे कीप ऑन मॉडिफाइंग द क्वेश्चन. राइट, तो एक डाई है जिसमें 6 फेजेस है. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी आउटकम्स विल बी देयर? Okay, total number of outcome will be 6. So n of s is 6. Okay, और ये रेगुलर डाई नहीं, इसके ऊपर नंबर लिखा हुआ है 1 2 3 एंड ऑल्सो नेगेटिव नंबर -1 -2 एंड -3. A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting? Okay, first वाला क्वेश्चन E1. We want a probability of getting positive integer. So tell me कितने positive integers है? Okay, कितने पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स है? We will write them in a form of a set. 1 is a positive integer, 2 is a positive integer, 3 is a positive integer, and rest 3, that is -1, -2 and -3, they are not positive integers, right? So n of E1 is equal to what? 3. So probability of this event is what? N of E1 upon N of S. N of E1 upon N of S. Okay, N of E1 is 3 and N of S is 6. 3 upon 6. Both numbers are divisible by 3. So 1 upon 2. This is my first answer. Okay. Now I want a number. Okay, number or an integer greater than -3. Okay, -3. Can you tell me which is the number greater than -3? Which is the number greater than -3? Okay, integer. What I want in this event? I want integer. Okay, I want integer which is greater than what? -3. So integers greater than -3 are what? Okay, 1 is greater, 2 is also greater, 3 is also greater, 0 is also greater, but we will not take 0. Why will we not take 0? We will take -1 and -2. क्यों? क्योंकि 0 तो है ही नहीं, 0 तो डाई के ऊपर नंबर है ही नहीं. Okay, so you can imagine a number line. All the numbers on the left hand side are the smaller numbers, or right side वाले numbers are the greater numbers. Okay, so -3 के right side में ये 5 numbers. Okay, so n of E2 is 5. Correct? N of E2 is equal to 5. So what is the probability? So what is the probability? N of E2 upon N of S. Correct? So that is 5 and total probability was 6. It is not further divisible. So this is going to be my answer. The smallest integer. Can you tell me which is the smallest integer? Very easy question. I'll solve it over here. Okay, smallest integer. Out of all these 3, type in a chat box. Okay, which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? Third wala question. E3, what they want is the smallest integer. They want is the smallest integer. So what is E3 equal to? E3 is equal to what? Smallest of all this is -3. Yes, yes. Someshwar, -3. Sushil, Raghav, -3. Okay, welcome Sushil to our live stream. जो first time live stream के लिए आ रहे हैं, okay, you are most welcome, right? So how many numbers have we entered? Okay, n of E3 is 1. So using a formula of probability, our answer is what? 1 upon 6. N of E is 1 and N of S is 6. Okay, so these are 3 answers, right? Are you getting it right? Are you getting it right? Give a thumbs up. Okay, let me know through a chat box, okay, that you are getting all the answers right. You are finding out this easy, right? Okay, let's move on. A bag contains 5 white balls. So total number of balls, 5 white balls, 6 red balls. So 5 plus 6 and 9 green balls. 9 green balls. So what is the probability total? 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. So this 20 will always be there in a denominator. Will always be there in a denominator. A ball is selected at a random, drawn at a random from a bag. Find a probability that ball drawn is a green ball, and we are also using a green color ka pen to write this. Okay, so E1. Green ball. How many green balls? How many green balls? Okay. So green are 9. 9. Right? Now probability of E1. What is the formula for probability? Okay. What is the formula for probability? N of E1 upon N of S. Please write the formula at least once in the entire sum. Okay. एक बार जरूर लिखना है, बार बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. Okay. So that even if you get a wrong answer, okay, you will get marks for writing a correct formula. So 9 and 20, there is no common factor by which we can divide this. So this will be my final answer. Okay, so what is the second event now? Okay, second event is neither, okay, neither a white ball, okay, white ball or a green ball. Okay, white ball or a red ball. Ball drawn is a white ball. White ball. How many white balls? 5 balls. And how many red balls? Is 6. Okay, so totally we have 11. Okay, balls to select from. Okay, so probability of E2 will be what? When use the formula, don't write formula again and again. एक सम में जो है एक बार फॉर्मूला लिखोगे वेल एंड गुड. तो ये आया 11 upon what? 20. Again there is no common factor, so division is not possible. Is it fine? Is it fine? Let me move on to next question. इस बार जो है हमको neither we want a green ball. Okay, green भी नहीं चाहिए, nor we want a white ball. No green, no white. Means which ball do we want? No green, no white. Okay, so how many balls are there? Okay, how many colors are there? 3 white balls. Okay, लेकिन ये नहीं चाहिए हमको. Then also green balls. तो ये green भी नहीं चाहिए, तो हमको क्या चाहिए? हमको चाहिए red ball. And how many red balls are there? Okay, we want what? We want red wala balls. Right? So how many balls are there? N of E3. कितने थे red के ball? Were there? How many balls were there? 6? Yes, 6. Okay. So using a formula of probability, P of E3 is what? 6 upon 20. Okay, 6 upon, is it 20? So 2 into 3 and 2 into 10. So my answer is 3 by 10. Are my all answers, all 3 answers correct? Let us check. First answer is 9 by 20. Yes. Second answer is 11 by 20. And just now we got 3 by 20. Okay. Takesh, hi. Okay. Sajesh is asking me how many more minutes I will stream. Okay. Maybe. Okay. I'll cover. I'm going to take 10 sums. So we have completed 6. Now 2 more maybe. Right? Is it fine? Okay, a game of numbers as a card mark. Okay, see here. As I told you, ICSE will not ask a question. अगर उस question में कुछ element नहीं है तो they will never ask the question. Okay, card पर number start होता है 11 से, not from 1, then 12, then 13, up to 40. Can you tell me how many cards are there? Can you tell me how many cards are there? Okay, can you tell me how many cards are there? Hipesh, thanks, sure, sir. Yes. Okay. N of S, how many cards? From 11 to 40. Can I say they are 30 cards? Because 1 to 40 cards, and out of that we are removing 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 10. Fine, so 30 cards. Is it fine? Is it fine? Okay, so there are totally how many cards? 30 cards. Now what I want? Okay, my first event is I want perfect square. I want perfect square. Correct? Perfect square. So which are those cards? We have to start from 11. 11 is not a perfect square. 12 is not a perfect square. 13, 14, 15, 16 is a perfect square. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. A perfect square. 6 square is 36. A perfect square. Right? And 7 square is 49. A perfect square. Joel John, hi. So, yes, Joel John. Welcome to this live stream. Okay, so N of E1 is how much? Is it 3? Is it 3? Now my formula, probability of E1, make sure that you write this formula at least once in every sum. Okay, बार बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. There are 2 conditions. Okay, so N of this is 3 upon 30. So 3 into 1, 3 into 10. So my answer is 1 by 10. Is it okay? Is it fine? Are you getting it? Correct? Now come to the second part. Now we want numbers which are divisible by. Second event is number divisible by. Okay, divisible by what? 7. So what number am I going to take? याद रखो 11 से स्टार्ट करना है. ओके, so 7 into 2 is 14, 7 into 1 is 7, so not 7, then 14, 21, 7 into 4 is 28, 7 into 5 is 35, 7 into 6 is 42. वो तो 40 से बड़ा होता है, means we are going to take these many numbers. So how many numbers are we selecting here? How many numbers are we selecting here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers. Right? Okay, P of E2. Don't write this formula again and again. We have written it here once. Okay, so directly I am substituting. 4 upon what? 30. So divisible by 2. 2 into 2. 2 into 15. So my answer is 2 upon 15. Are you getting it? Are you finding out this one easy? Okay, so 2 by 15. Tomorrow definitely I'll come up with MCQs. Okay, बहुत मजा आता है MCQ में. Okay, you also keep on. You are also involved. You also keep on giving the answers, right? क्या बढ़ेंगे हम लोग अगले इसके ऊपर? Okay. Now see again card वाला question है. Card वाला ही question है. But there is a change in the story. But there is a change in the story. 16 cards. So totally there are 16 cards. Okay, so we know this total card. Okay, n of sample space is 16. Okay, simple mystery. Sir, I have scored 40 on 40 in math. Sir, please give me some tips. Okay, please be associated with me. Okay, मैं जितने भी क्लास लूंगा, okay, तो सब अटेंड करो. ओके, बिकॉज अगला क्लास बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. आई नो. ओके, आई नो कि मोस्ट ऑफ दी कुछ छूटा. आई नो मोस्ट ऑफ यू लाइक 3 दिन छुट्टी है और आज ही पेपर हो गया है, तो दे रिक्वायर अ रेस्ट. ओके, तो आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि टुडे मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, नॉट मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर गोइंग टू ज्वाइन. आई थिंक देयर आर 15 स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, 15 students at least showing it to me. Okay, do we have 15 likes? Do we have 15 likes? Okay, please like the video. Likes तो 7 ही बता रहा है. 15 watching and 7 likes. चलो फटाफट like कर दो, जल्दी like कर दो, so that we will move on to next question. फटाफट चलो जल्दी करो. Please don't wait. Okay, I want more than. Okay, चलो like ठोको फटाफट. Somebody said like ठोको. चलो जल्दी करो, क्विक. ओके, चलो कम हियर. सो 16 cards. There are 16 cards as labeled A, B, C up to M and O, P. Okay, from A till P. They are put in a box. Okay, and shuffled. A boy is asked to draw a card. Always a single card will be drawn. Okay, we want a vowel. Okay, first one. What we want is vowel. Okay, फाइन. क्या होते हैं vowel? कौन कौन से होते हैं? आई एम श्योर आप सब लोगों को मालूम है. ओके, ICSE के स्टूडेंट. ओके, ICSE के स्टूडेंट. ओके, दे आर एक्सपर्ट इन दिस. They are expert in this. Okay, तो vowel कौन सा होता है? A, E, I, O and U. Okay, A, E, I, O and U. Okay, tomorrow morning. Okay, I'll try to come live. Okay, tomorrow morning I'll be live. Okay, somewhere between 9 and 10. Somewhere between 9 and 10. Okay, I'll let you know. Is my voice and everything coming clear? Because initially there was some cracking or something. Is it fine now? वो cracking बंद हो चुका है क्या? Let me know. Let me know. Okay. Till then I'll solve this question. So how many vowels do we have? 5. Okay. Isn't it 5? Isn't it 5? How it can be 4? Oh. A, B, C, D. Acha, U cannot be there. Why? Because only up to 5, up to P. Okay, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, S, T, U is removed. Okay, so only 4, not 5, 4. Okay, so you have to read question carefully. So what is the probability? एक बार हम लोग फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे प्रोबेबिलिटी का, n ऑफ E1 अपॉन n ऑफ S. E1 is 4 and n of S total is 16. So 4 into 1 and 4 into 4. So 1 upon 4. Okay, 1 upon 4. Right? Achha, maybe. Okay, mine is not updated one. Mine is not updated one. Okay, 24 lines. Fine. Ours is fairly new channel. Just started, I think, 5 months back. So I need your help to grow my YouTube channel. Share the link, like the video, share the link, okay? Spread a word of mouth. If you like it, please, you can share word of mouth about our video, okay? Your experiences you can share, right? Fine. Okay. What we want now is consonant. Can you tell me how many consonants? How many consonants? Right? There are 16. Okay. इधर देखो, ध्यान से देखो. Consonant means what? जो vowel नहीं होते हैं वो consonant होते हैं. Okay, जो vowels नहीं है वो consonant है. So what is E2 equal to? What is E2 equal to? How many? कितने numbers आएंगे? Okay. So total तो 16 है. From what? A to P 16 है. उसमें से 4 vowel को हटा दिया. 16 minus 4. How much? It is 12. Isn't it 12? Okay. So now probability of E2. Probability of E2. Okay. Formula already I have written once. So I'll not keep on writing this again and again in a same sum. So this will be what? 12 upon 16. So 4 into 3. 4 into 4. Okay, so 3 by 4. Right? 3 by 4. Okay, fine. Chalo, let us continue. Third one. None of the letters of the word median. Okay, so we don't have to take M, E, D, I, A and N. Okay, तो कितने हो जाएंगे? Okay, सारे के सारे is between 8. Okay, between what? A to P. So there are totally how much? Okay, let me write this. ये third event है हमारा. Third event. And how many? What will be number here? So total 16 letters है. From A to P. उसमें से minus क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Okay, M is first one, E is second one, D is third one, I, A and N. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So is it minus 6? Is it minus 6? क्या सारे के सारे is between okay, between A to P, from A to P, A, B, C, D. Correct? Okay. So what is probability? What is probability? What is probability of the event? Okay, so that is anyway 16 minus 6 is 10. So 10 upon what? 10 upon 16. So 2 into 5 and 2 into 8. So my answer is 5 by 8. Correct? Correct? Yes. Acha. You want video on tips? I already have made a video. I already have. Okay, you can go to my playlist. Okay, you can go to my playlist and already I have made a strategy video on this. Okay, but now I'll make a video on tips. Okay, how to solve question, how to what should be your approach towards probability, what should be your approach towards statistics and all those things, right? Okay. Arav is saying your videos are very helpful. Yes, simple mystery. Definitely I'll drop a video on tips. Right? Is this fine? Acha, और एक question है. अच्छा, तीनों part हो गए. Are all three answers correct? 1 by 4, third वाला 5 by 8, and yes, all three answers are. Okay? हमको ये check करना है हमारा आंसर तो right ही होगा क्या यहाँ printing correctly किया है. Right? Yes. Please concentrate here. No spamming. Okay. No spamming. Concentrate here. Card bearing numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 are kept in a bag. How many cards are there? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total number of cards are 10. Okay. This I'll take as event 1. This I will take as event 2. This as my third event and this as my fourth event. So there are four events. Okay, so first one, I want a prime number. I think we already have done a question related to prime number. Right, we already have done a question. Okay, so prime number. Okay, इसमें से prime number कौन सा है? 2 is a prime number. Is there any other prime number? Please focus on this. Okay, if you want to chat, you can chat with me. Don't chat among yourself. Okay, please concentrate here. Okay, please concentrate here. Right, so what is n of e? N of e is what? How many entries? Only one. Okay, only one. Right, so probability, I'll write a formula of probability. Make sure that you write the formula of probability at least once. N of E1 upon N of S. So what is that? That is 1 upon 10. Okay, 1 upon 10. Okay, right. Next, what do I want? Next, what do I want? Number divisible. Okay, number divisible by 4. Number divisible by 4. Definitely 4 is divisible by 4. 2 is not divisible by 4. What is going on here? What is going on here? Can you please stop everything else, all the other businesses, and concentrate only on studies? Can you concentrate only on studies? Okay, 4 is divisible by 4. Next number divisible by 4 is 8. Next one is 12. Next is 16. And next one is 20. Right? So how many numbers? How many numbers? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 numbers. So what is probability? What is probability? N of E upon N of S. Okay, that is 5 upon 10. So 5 into 1 and 5 into 2 is 1 by 2. Is 1 by 2. Right? So second answer is a number which is multiple of 6. A number which is multiple of 6. E3. Third wala. Multiple of 3. 3 is multiple of 3. Right? 6 is multiple of 3. 9 is multiple of 3. 12 is multiple of 3. We have number till 20. Right? Na? Okay. Then 15 is multiple of 3. 18 is multiple of 3. But hang on. We have to take which number? We have to select from this number. So odd numbers are not there. Okay. Multiple of 3. So I am not going to include 3. I am not going to include 9. And I am not going to include 5 also. So how many numbers have been left with me in this set? How many numbers? Is it 3? Is it 3? So what is probability now? What is probability? Probability is 3 upon 10. Okay, so 3 upon 10. Fine. 3 upon 10. कोई नहीं रहेगा लाइव स्ट्रीम में तो भी चलेगा, बट आई वांट ओनली दो स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू लर्न. I want only those students who are studying. Okay, please don't spam. It is a request from my side. Yes, I'll take trigonometry also. Okay, tomorrow I'll come live morning as well as in the evening. Don't worry. Okay, let me know what do you want. Okay, then odd number. Then odd number. Okay, there is no single odd number in this group. No odd number. Okay, so this is what? Okay, right in the beginning. If you are there with me right from the beginning, you know that. You know that. Okay, this event is called what? Impossible event, null event. Okay, null event, right? So this will be 0 upon 10. 0 divided by any number is 0. Okay, 0 divided by any number is 0. So this is the last question, right? Ninth wala. और एक करेंगे, then we are going to, okay, ये last question है, then from 11th onwards ये हम कुछ interesting question solve करने वाले. Some student, okay, some student asked me to take this. Okay, what time morning? Most probably, okay, between 9 and 10. Okay, I'll drop a time right in the morning. Okay, 7-8 बजे मैं either community page में या ये मिल जाएगा आप लोगों को रिमाइंडर, ये मिल जाएगा. ओके, इसका व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड, रिमाइंडर मिल जाएगा कुछ, और यू कैन चेक माय कम्युनिटी टैब. फाइन, ये जरा ध्यान से देखना. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन दिस. ओके, दिस हैपेंस टू बी अ लास्ट क्वेश्चन. इसके बाद हम लोग दूसरे, ओके, हमारा चैलेंज इंक्रीज करेंगे. वी विल टेक हाई ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल्स वाले सब. Okay, high order thinking skills one, right? Okay, so pay attention here. There are 25 discs, number 1 to 25. They are put in a closed box and shaken thoroughly. Okay, this is in same card जैसा ही है, सिर्फ यहाँ पर word use किया disc. And a disc is drawn at a random. Find the probability that number on a disc is what? We have come to year 2019. So n of s is what? 25, because okay, numbers are from 1 to 20, right? Okay, you can also write it like this: 1, 2, 3. Numbers are from 1 to 25, right? So n of s is 25 and one disk is selected randomly, and this is my first event. What I want is odd number. Okay, what I want is odd number. Correct? So what is even? Odd number. 1 is odd number, 3 is odd number. Actually we are wasting time. Out of, okay, 7 is odd number, 9, half number will be odd, right? Likewise 25 will be odd. So can you tell me how many odd numbers are there? How many odd numbers are there? Okay, so there are total 25, 12 and up. Means there will be 13 odd numbers. Do you agree? Yes. Okay, Someshwar already have written all the odd numbers from 1 to 25. So are there 13 numbers? Are there 13 numbers? Yes, KV is saying 30. So probability of even. Okay, probability. एक बार तो कम से कम आपको फॉर्मूला लिखना ही लिखना है. Okay. So what is this? N of E1 is 13 and N of S is what? How much? 25. So 13 upon 25. No common divisor. So our final answer will be 13 upon 25. 13 upon 20. Correct. Correct. White color is not changed. I'll use a different. Okay, second one. Number divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, this is very interesting. Okay, there is a catch. यहाँ पर जो है, okay, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे students लोग wrong हो सकते हैं. Okay, we want number which is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Number divisible by 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We have till 25, 18, 20, 22. and 26. Okay, तो ये नहीं आएगा up to 24. And number divisible by 3 are what? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Then what? 24. Correct? Now we have to find common number, क्योंकि हमको ऐसे नंबर चाहिए जो डिविजिबल बाय बोथ है. ओके, बाय बोथ. तो E2 में क्या आएंगे, दोनों में जो कॉमन नंबर है. ओके, बोथ. राइट, राइट. ओके, सो दोनों में कौन से नंबर है? I see 6 is there. Correct. Which is 12. Then what? Then what? 18. 18. Then what? 24. Is it fine? Is it fine? Are you getting this? Are you getting this? So how many numbers? How many numbers? N of E2 is what? E2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers. So what is probability? What is probability? Probability is 4 upon 25. Not divisible. So this will be the answer. Okay, this will be the answer. Okay, find a disk. Okay, a number less than 60. Number less than 16. This is fairly easy. Okay, this is fairly easy. Right, this is fairly easy. Okay, we want a number. We want a number which is less than. क्या था less than 15 or 16? 16. तो नंबर लेस देन 16 कौन से होंगे? 1 से लेकर कहाँ तक? ओके, फ्रॉम 1 टू व्हाट? फ्रॉम 1 till 15. Till 15. That means n of E2 is what? Is 50. Probability of E2. Okay, I already have written a formula, so I'm not repeating this. Upon 20. So 5 into 3 and 5 into 5. So my final answer is what? 3 upon 20. 3 upon 5. Okay, 3 upon 5. Is it fine? Is it fine? Yes. Anybody having any doubt, let me know. Anybody having any doubt, let me know. Okay, can we continue? Can we continue? Fine. Now here comes some interesting questions. Okay. Now for maybe another 10-15 minutes, that's it. Okay. What is the probability that non-leap year, okay, you get generally this word non-leap year, or maybe you get a word as a normal year that has a 53 Sunday. Now I want each one of you to be very, very attentive and listen carefully. Okay, listen carefully. Please listen carefully. Now some very important questions coming up. Very important question coming up. And I know most of the students have problem with this questions. Okay. Now see, what is the probability that non-leap year or a normal year has a 53 Sundays? Okay, 53 Sundays. Please concentrate here. Who's this? Please concentrate here. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. फिर ये कल आएगा, मंडे को एग्जाम में आएगा, एंड इफ यू गो रॉन्ग दैट विल बी अ डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन. ओके, लिसन. ओके, अभी सेम टाइप के क्वेश्चन है. ओनली सिचुएशंस वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज. ओके, ओनली सिचुएशन वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट नॉर्मल ईयर हैज अ 53 संडे? Now remember, a normal year, please concentrate, please focus. A normal year has 52 weeks, that is for sure. Okay, 52 weeks, that is for sure. So 52 Sundays. Okay, 52 Sundays. Okay, this is a sure year. ये तो होगा ही होगा कोई भी ईयर में. ओके, कोई भी ईयर में. ओके, 52 संडेज होते ही है. देयर आर 52 वीक्स, दैट मीन्स 52 संडेज, 52 मंडेज, 52 ट्यूसडेज, 52 वेडनेसडेज, 52 थर्सडेज, 52 फ्राइडेज एंड 52 सैटरडेज. ओके, श्योर इवेंट है, तो इसको कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. ओके, और जो एक्स्ट्रा दिन है, एक्स्ट्रा दिन, ओके, दैट वन एक्स्ट्रा डे. डू यू नो इन अ ईयर देयर आर 52 डेज एंड वन एक्स्ट्रा डे, एंड वन एक्स्ट्रा डे. राइट, यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस दैट कि आपका बर्थडे जो है एवरी ईयर एक डे से शिफ्ट होता है. लास्ट ईयर इफ योर बर्थडे वाज ऑन संडे, यू मस्ट हैव डेफिनेटली नोटिस कि इस साल वो मंडे को आए और अगले साल वो ट्यूसडे को आएगा, और मे बी इट विल स्किप बाय 2 days अगर वो लीप ईयर होगा. बिकॉज लीप ईयर में 365 डेज नहीं होते, देर आर 366 डेज, राइट। तो कोई भी ईयर लो, टेक एनी ईयर, 52 संडेज आर फॉर श्योर, सो दिस इज अ श्योर इवेंट, ओके। और एक एक्स्ट्रा डे, और वो एक्स्ट्रा डे कौन सा होगा, या तो होगा संडे, और इट विल बी मंडे, राइट, और इट विल बी ट्यूसडे, और इट विल बी व्हाट, वेंसडे, or it will be Thursday or Friday or what, Saturday, correct, or what, Saturday, okay। So n of s, these are all possibilities, okay, these are all possibilities। तो कितने possibilities है, there are 7 possibilities, okay। and our event is what, हमको क्या चाहिए, हमको वो एक्स्ट्रा संडे चाहिए, वो हमको क्या चाहिए, एक्स्ट्रा संडे चाहिए, ओके, एक्स्ट्रा संडे, मतलब संडे वाला सिंगल इवेंट, n of e is 1। so now using our formula, that is probability of e1 is n of e1 upon n of s is what, it is 1 upon 7, am I right, is 1 upon 7, am I right, correct। Yes, Aditya. Okay, somebody recommended you my channel. Okay, thanks that you have joined here. Right? Fine. Are you getting it? Okay, एक बार और मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, प्लीज ऑल फोकस हियर, ओके। नाउ नो चैटिंग, नथिंग, थोड़ा देर चैट नहीं करेंगे चलेगा, आई एम फाइन विद दैट, ओके। इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी, ओके। इसका एक दूसरा सिचुएशन है, वो लेंगे, ओके। एक नॉर्मल ईयर है, सो नॉर्मल ईयर में क्या होता है, 365 डेज, करेक्ट। इफ यू स्प्लिट दिस, व्हाट इज दिस, ओके, ये 365 डेज मतलब इसमें होते हैं 52 वीक्स प्लस 1 एक्स्ट्रा डे, प्लस 1 एक्स्ट्रा डे, ओके, प्लस 1 एक्स्ट्रा डे। ये एक्स्ट्रा डे जो है जिसकी वजह से आपका बर्थडे हर साल एक दिन से आगे शिफ्ट हो जाता है, ओके, इन अ नॉर्मल ईयर। बीच में अगर लीप ईयर आता है तो आपका बर्थडे 2 दिनों से शिफ्ट, राइट। सो 52 डेज इज अ श्योर इवेंट, उसको हम लोग बिल्कुल कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे, उसको बिल्कुल कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे, ओके। नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट दैट 1 एक्स्ट्रा, तो वो एक्स्ट्रा डे या तो संडे होगा, या तो मंडे होगा, या ट्यूसडे, या वेडनेसडे, या थर्सडे, या फ्राइडे, या सैटरडे, मींस n of s is 7, और हमको क्या चाहिए, दैट एक्स्ट्रा संडे, दैट 1 इवेंट, सो प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी 1 अपॉन 7। आर यू गेटिंग दिस? अभी इस क्वेश्चन को हम लोग थोड़ा सा चेंज करेंगे, सेम क्वेश्चन है, बट इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग, इंस्टेड ऑफ अ नॉर्मल ईयर वी आर टेकिंग अ लीप ईयर। अब स्टोरी थोड़ा चेंज होगा, ओके। लीप ईयर में क्या होता है, ओके, लीप ईयर में क्या होता है, तो लीप ईयर इज 52 वीक्स, ओके, लीप ईयर में होता है 52 वीक्स प्लस 2 एक्स्ट्रा डेज। जैसे नॉर्मल ईयर में 52 वीक एंड 1 एक्स्ट्रा डे होता है, वैसे लीप ईयर में 52 वीक्स एंड 2 एक्स्ट्रा डेज, ओके। तो ये दो, ओके, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कंसिडर दिस 52 वीक्स बिकॉज दिस इज अ श्योर इवेंट, ओके, ये पक्का श्योर इवेंट है इसमें, ओके, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कंसिडर दिस, ओके। ये 2 एक्स्ट्रा दिन कौन से हो सकते हैं, तो ये हो सकते हैं संडे और मंडे, 2 कंसेक्यूटिव डेज। ये एक्स्ट्रा डेज हो सकते हैं मंडे एंड ट्यूसडे, आर यू गेटिंग इट? दिस एक्स्ट्रा डे कैन बी ट्यूसडे एंड वेंसडे, और इट कैन बी वेंसडे एंड थर्सडे, it can be Thursday and Friday, or it can be Friday and Saturday, or it can be Saturday and Sunday, और Sunday के बाद आता है Sunday Monday, which we have already considered. So what is the probability? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, n of s is again 7, ओके। अब थोड़ा चेंज है, देखो हमको क्या चाहिए, हमको चाहिए संडे, प्लीज, अच्छा 1 की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज एक ही इवेंट है, ओके। नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, वी वांट व्हाट, संडे चाहिए। नाउ सी हाउ मेनी आउटकम्स आर पॉसिबल, कितने आउटकम पॉसिबल है, एक है संडे मंडे में संडे है, एक्स्ट्रा डे, ओके, एक्स्ट्रा 2 दिन कैन बी संडे मंडे, और एक्स्ट्रा डे में सैटरडे संडे, ये भी तो पॉसिबल है। दैट मीन्स व्हाट, n of e is what? 2 this time. Earlier it was 1. So probability of event, my formula is n of e upon n of s. So my answer is 2 upon 7. Earlier it was 1 upon 7. Compare करो दोनों को. Compare it. Okay, Sunday. Okay, single day. So that extra day can be Sunday. एक ही possible था. एक ही possibility was there. Okay, but when there are 2 days, तो संडे का 2 कॉम्बिनेशन पॉसिबल है, संडे एंड मंडे एंड सैटरडे एंड संडे. ओके, तो संडे का 2 आउटकम. सो एन ऑफ ई इज 2. सो योर आंसर इज 2/7 एंड दिस आंसर इज 1/7. आर यू गेटिंग इट? आर यू गेटिंग इट? क्या आपको समझ में आ रहा है? लेट मी नो, क्या आपको समझ में आ रहा है? Can we take a different kind of sums? बस आखिरी 2 sums, maybe another what, 5-10 minutes. Okay, another 5-10 minutes, right? Last 2 sums. Okay, ये भी challenging, ये भी high order thinking skill वाले questions. Okay, okay, ये same ही है. Okay, previous same like 12th. Okay, same as 12th. बस पूछने का तरीका अलग है. So we will skip this one. Come to this. Okay, इसको भी 14 नंबर दिया. इसमें 2 सब पार्ट. ओके, यू एंड योर फ्रेंड. ओके, या 2 फ्रेंड्स. क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है कि उनका बर्थडे आएगा ऑन अ सेम डे? एंड क्या पॉसिबिलिटी या क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है that their birthday will be on different days? Now try to understand this. Okay, very important question. Many students fail to understand this situation. Okay, what we will take n of s. ओके, कौन सा ईयर है? ये नॉर्मल ईयर, राइट? ये कौन सा ईयर है? नॉर्मल ईयर है. तो नॉर्मल ईयर में होते हैं 365 डेज. ओके, जस्ट हैंग ऑन. ओके, ये हमारे आज का आखिरी क्वेश्चन है. दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो पे अटेंशन एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, हाई ऑर्डर थिंकिंग वाला है. ओके, सो वी विल टेक फर्स्ट केस दैट दोनों का बर्थडे जो है वो सेम डे आए. ओके, दोनों का बर्थडे जो है वो सेम डे आए. आर यू गेटिंग इट? क्या मैं इसको डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करूं? व्हाट विल बी माय सैंपल स्पेस? ओके, व्हाट विल बी माय सैंपल स्पेस? जरा ध्यान से सुनना. आप लोगों ने 2 डाई वाला क्वेश्चन किया होगा. 1,1, 1,2, 1,3 सेम. ओके, लेट अस से कि क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है. फर्स्ट फ्रेंड जो है, लेट मी से फ्रेंड ए एंड फ्रेंड बी. इसका बर्थडे हो सकता है 1 जनवरी को, या तो इसका बर्थडे हो सकता है 2 जनवरी को, या इसका बर्थडे हो सकता है 3 जनवरी को, या इसका बर्थडे हो सकता है 4 जनवरी को. द स्पेस आई एम यूजिंग, वहां पर मैं बी का बर्थडे का पॉसिबिलिटी लिखने वाला. ओके, 4 जनवरी को, सो ऑन. ओके, ऐसे ऐसे आगे जाएंगे हम लोग, राइट? आगे बढ़ेंगे. लास्ट नंबर क्या आएगा? ओके, 365. या तो उसका पॉसिबिलिटी है कि उसका बर्थडे आएगा ऑन 31st ऑफ डिसम्बर. आर यू गेटिंग इट? ओके, अब आते हैं किसके तरफ? ओके, अब आते हैं हम लोग किसके तरफ? तो अब आएंगे हम लोग बी के तरफ. करेक्ट. बी का बर्थडे कब होगा? बी का बर्थडे हम लोग कांस्टेंट रखते हैं. ओके, बी का बर्थडे हम लोग क्या करेंगे? उसका बर्थडे कब आएगा? ओके, आइदर अगेन ऑन 1 जनवरी एंड व्हाट 2 जनवरी, 3 जनवरी. ओके, इसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं? कांस्टेंट रखेंगे. 1 जनवरी, 2. ओके, 1 जनवरी 2 जो है बर्थडे उसका फिक्स रखा, दैट इज 1 जनवरी. ओके, ये वाला लाइन कंप्लीट हुआ लाइक दिस. ये ऐसे कब तक जा सकते हैं कि ओके, प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट, आई एग्री, दिस इज अ बिट कंफ्यूजिंग, लेकिन थोड़ा ध्यान देंगे, थोड़ा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करोगे तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, व्हाट वी हैव डन कि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? हम लोग एज्यूम कर रहे हैं इस लाइन में कि बी का बर्थडे जो है, ओके, यस ओके, बी का बर्थडे हम लोग फिक्स रखते हैं 1 जनवरी, राइट? बी का, और हम लोग 1 का ले रहे हैं 1 जनवरी, 2 जनवरी. ओके, अप टू 31 दिसंबर. लाइक ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है एग्जाम में. ओके, जस्ट इट्स फॉर योर एक्सप्लेनेशन, आपको बराबर से समझ में आए इसलिए. देन व्हाट, हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इसको 2 लेंगे, देन इसको 3 लेंगे, ऐसे करते करते नीचे भी जाएंगे एंड हियर वी विल गेट 360 लाइक दिस। ओके, और यहाँ पर हम लोग ये वाला जो है वो कांस्टेंट रखेंगे। ओके, व्हाट post ऐसा। ओके, एंड व्हेन यू कंप्लीट दिस एंटायर चार्ट, ओके, व्हेन यू कंप्लीट दिस एंटायर चार्ट, ओके, क्या आएगा? ये फर्स्ट एंड दिस विल बी व्हाट 2, नहीं 1 2 3 ऐसे जाएंगे हम लोग व्हाट अप टू 365। ओके, एंड दिस वाज 1, दिस विल बी ऑल 2 2 कॉमा 2, देन 3 कॉमा 2, ये हमेशा 2 फिक्स रखेंगे, 4 कॉमा 2, लाइकवाइज 365 कॉमा 2। ओके, ये ऐसे करते, हियर ऑल विल बी 365 और लास्ट में आएगा 365 बाय 365, राइट? एंड व्हेन यू कंप्लीट दिस विल बी 1 कॉमा 3, ओके, 1 कॉमा, ओके, 2 कॉमा 3, so on, okay, and 3 comma 3। I hope you are getting it, I hope you are getting it। okay, ऐसा कंप्लीट करेंगे टेबल को, राइट? सो व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग? जरा ध्यान दो, प्लीज कॉन्सेंट्रेट, प्लीज कॉन्सेंट्रेट। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज एन ऑफ एस? क्या कोई बताएगा एन ऑफ एस का वैल्यू कितना? हाउ मेनी एंट्रीज कैन बी मेड? यू कैन कंपेयर दिस सम विद 2 डाई। आर यू नॉट गेटिंग इट? आर यू नॉट गेटिंग इट? ओके, तो यहाँ एन ऑफ एस मिला 365 बाई 360, एन ऑफ एस मिला 365 बाई 365। ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज अ प्रोबेबिलिटी? सेम डे चाहिए हमको। ओके, E1 इज व्हाट? सेम डे आना चाहिए। ओके, सेम डे आना चाहिए, मतलब व्हाट विल बी E1? E1 विल बी व्हाट 1 कॉमा 1, सेम डे, दोनों का 1 जनवरी को है या दोनों का जो है। ओके, ये दिस ऑल सेम विल कम, और ऐसे कब तक आएगा? 365 मतलब ये वाला नंबर सिलेक्ट करेंगे, 33 वाला, 22 वाला, 33 वाला, 44 वाला, लाइक वाइज। ओके, 365 बाय 365, करेक्ट ना? आर यू गेटिंग इट? मतलब ये आएगा एन ऑफ ई, हाउ मेनी आउटकम्स आर देयर? 365। ओके, 365। नाउ व्हाट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E1? व्हाट इज माय फॉर्मूला? What is my formula? N of E1 upon N of S. Okay, so N of E1 is 365 upon N of S is 365 into 365, right? ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा 1 and your answer is 1 upon 365। I know बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स लोग यार रट्टा मार के रखते हैं कि सेम, क्योंकि ये बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, एग्जाम में पूछा जाने वाला कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, कि दे थिंक दैट इसका आंसर होगा, उनका आंसर बायट होता है। दिस इज व्हाट 1 upon 360। आर यू गेटिंग इट? आर यू गेटिंग इट? ओके, और डिफरेंट डेज का क्या हो? डिफरेंट डेज का क्या हो? प्लीज कंपेयर दिस, इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड। अगर इसको आपको डाई वाले, व्हेन 2 डाइज आर रोल्ड, ओके, वो क्या होगा? ओके, उससे कंपेयर करेंगे। आई टेक योर डाउट्स, डोंट वरी, आई टेक योर डाउट्स। अगर आपको डाउट्स होंगे तो आई टेक इट। ओके, बट लेट मी फिनिश दिस। अब डिफरेंट बर्थडे, ओके, ये डिफरेंट डेज में आने चाहिए। बर्थडे विल बी ऑन डिफरेंट डेज, ओके, नॉट ऑन सेम डे। तो ये कैसे आप लोग सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? तो देयर इज अ फॉर्मूला। ओके, क्या फॉर्मूला है? कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई डैश 1 में से माइनस करो। ओके, 1 में से माइनस करना है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई। तो व्हेन यू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस, इफ यू वांट, मैं टेबल से भी इसको सिखा सकता हूँ आप लोगों को, अपॉन 365 यू विल गेट द आंसर। 1 के डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है, 1 ले लो एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, 365 minus 1 upon 365, so this is what 364 upon 365 is this answer। okay, is this possible? Are you okay with this? Are you okay with this? Okay, if you feel ये channel अच्छा नहीं है, then you can please leave। okay, we are not forcing। okay, nobody will dare to take, okay, nobody will dare to take difficult questions like this। okay, ये difficult question कोई भी नहीं लेता है। okay, जो select करते हैं question bank, they all select all easy question। at least I have dared to take this difficult question, right? ओके, या तो बाकी लोगों के जैसा आप भी कर सकते हो भाई, एग्जाम में रट्टा मार के जाओ कि ये फर्स्ट पार्ट जो है उसका आंसर है 1/365। ओके, एंड इसका जो आंसर है व्हाट इज दिस 364/365, राइट, 364/360, राइट. So here we have completed. Okay, here we have completed. Here we have completed. Okay, our sums. कुछ doubt है तो you can tell me if you want. Okay, if you want me to take some chapter. Okay, अगर आप लोगों का कुछ होगा, okay, कुछ special request होगा तो you can let me. You can let me. Okay, you can let me. What do you want me to take next? क्या चाहिए, क्या ले लूं मैं, अगला कौन सा चैप्टर? Which chapter do you want next? Okay, so tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening, both I am going to take a class. Yeah, I know that. Okay, we have to concentrate on positives. Yes, Srija Devi, you are absolutely right. Okay, we have to concentrate on positives, not the negative one. Not the negative. Okay, trigonometry. Which chapter do you want? Which chapter do you want? ओके, एग्जाम में आएगा तो इतना एलोबरेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एग्जाम में आएगा तो इतना एलोबरेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू राइट? हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू राइट? यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट n of s for this sum, okay, is 365 into 365, राइट ना, 365 into 365. क्योंकि अगर ये टेबल अगर आप लोग पूरा कंप्लीट लेते लिखते हो तो ये 365 नंबर्स है. लाइक 36 होते हैं इसमें, 2 डाई में 6/6 का टेबल होता है, बट ये 365/365 का है, तो ये आएगा n of s. ओके, देन फर्स्ट इवेंट. ओके, एग्जाम में इतना लिखो दे. ओके, सेम डे पर बर्थडे है दोनों का, सेम डे. सेम डे मीन्स हाउ मेनी इवेंट, मतलब यार डबलेट वाला आ गया. डबलेट मीन्स व्हाट, 1,1, 2,2, 3,3. दैट मीन्स व्हाट आर वी गेटिंग, 365. Okay, so what is probability? When you use a formula of probability, that is n of e1 upon n of s, what do you get? 365 upon 365 into 365. बस इतना ही करना. I was trying to explain this. Okay, नीचे I was trying to explain this and I know ये high order thinking skill वाला क्वेश्चन है, ये सबके बस की बात नहीं है. Okay, सबके बस की बात नहीं है. Okay, but yes, okay, if you can handle it, प्लीज गो ahead and solve this. सेकेंड वाला क्या है, डिफरेंट डेज पर बर्थडे. ओके, डिफरेंट डेज पर है बर्थडे, राइट. डिफरेंट डेज मीन्स व्हाट, मीन्स व्हाट, n of e2 will be what, n of e2 will be what, डिफरेंट डेज मतलब क्या होगा. ओके, इट विल बी, सब में से एक एक, हर लाइन में से अगर आप लोग एक एक माइनस करोगे. ओके, देखो ये सेम है, इसमें से 1 1 माइनस कर दिया, कितने नंबर्स बचे यहाँ पर, 364. ओके, ये ब्रैकेट्स कितनी, टोटल लाइन था 365 नंबर्स का या 365 ब्रैकेट का. ओके, सेम बर्थडे वाला कैंसिल कर देंगे, दिस इज 365. इसमें से 2 2 कैंसिल कर देंगे, दिस इज ऑल्सो 364. 365 माइनस 1 दैट इज 364. दिस इज ऑल्सो 364. और ऐसा करते करते कितने हैं टोटल, देयर आर 365 लाइन. ओके, मतलब यहाँ पर आएगा n of e will be what, ओके, it will be 364. ओके, 364 into 365. ओके, into 365. So what is probability? So what is probability? So this is 364 into 365 upon 365 into 365. Okay, this part is cancelled. दिस पार्ट इज कैंसल्ड एंड दिस इज योर आंसर. ये मैंने दूसरा तरीका बताया, या तो आप लोग 1 माइनस वाला भी क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. ओके, दिस वाज अ डिफरेंट मेथड. ओके, या तो ये रिवर्स मेथड, दिस इज कॉल्ड रिवर्स एप्लीकेशन. ओके, 1 में से माइनस करना. ओके, दिस ऑल्सो यू कैन डू. हाँ, तो दीज वर सम डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन. श्रीजा देवी, थैंक यू सर, आई गॉट अ थरो रिविजन एंड होल आइडिया अबाउट द प्रोबेबिलिटी चैप्टर. बट अगेन आई विल लाइक टू टेल यू कि ये सारे क्वेश्चन जो है दे आर इम्पोर्टेंट. प्री बोर्ड क्वेश्चन में, ओके, प्री बोर्ड्स में वगैरह ये सारे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, बट देर इज अ वेरी थिन चांस, ओके, इट इज वेरी अनलाइकली कि आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में इसको पूछा जाए, ओके. So Shrija and others, do you want, which chapter do you want me to start next? Is it trigonometry? Right? Anyway, you can check my community tab, okay, what I'm going to take tomorrow. Most probably I'll be there, okay. I'll start my class before 10 o'clock, okay. Can I end my live streaming now? Can I end my live streaming? Any doubt you can ask me, otherwise I'm ending my live stream. Chalo, bye and good night to all. Bye and good night to all. You can, okay, good night to all of you.